You live with your heartbeat. Therefore, did you know that the health of your kidneys and heart are related? It's crucial to monitor your kidneys condition so that, in the event that you have a kidney illness, you can treat it and make improvements. And if you don't already have kidney disease, you just need to avoid getting it, which is achievable with a healthy diet. In this video, we'll talk about foods that are great for kidney health and can either treat or prevent renal disease. Strawberry. This tasty and colorful fruit reduces the risk of kidney failure, which is a complication of diabetes due to its low sugar content and suitable fiber. Strawberries contain large amounts of salicylic acid, which is good for the kidneys due to its blood-thinning properties. Salicylic acid is also present in other fruits of the berry family such as cranberry and blueberry. Apple. Apple is a popular and well-known fruit that has 65 calories, 0 grams of fat, and 17 grams of carbohydrates. This fruit is a rich source of various vitamins and minerals such as vitamin C, vitamin K, and also fiber. This fruit has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, and for this reason, it can help reduce bad cholesterol and lower the risk of heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. Since diabetes is closely related to kidney failure, consuming apples can protect you from kidney problems. You can eat apples raw or cooked or make apple juice with them. Tofu. If you're looking for plant-based protein to improve your kidney health, grab some tofu. Meat, which has plenty of nutritional benefits, can be a little higher in acid, which can put a strain on kidneys that are struggling. Since the kidneys balance our body's pH and remove acids, foods that support this process, like tofu, can be incredibly kidney supportive. Unlike animal-based protein, plant proteins help improve the body's pH, avoiding an acidic environment in the body. This doesn't mean you need to give up meat. But if you're looking to cut down a little on your meat intake, tofu can fit the bill. Raspberry. This type of berry has ellagic acid that neutralizes free radicals in the human body. Doctors recommend raspberry consumption to kidney patients. The red color of raspberries indicates that this type of berry contains anthocyanin. Raspberries are also a good source of dietary fiber, iron, copper, magnesium, vitamin K, vitamin E, phosphorus, vitamin C, manganese, and folate. This berry is useful in preventing the growth of cancer cells. Apart from maintaining the health of the kidneys, raspberries help reduce blood sugar, improve insulin resistance, fight cancers, improve arthritis, lose weight, and all these are the reasons why you should eat this. Flaxseed. High blood sugar levels, over time, can cause kidney damage. That's why type 2 diabetes is linked to chronic kidney disease. One way to keep your glucose stable, and therefore your kidneys healthy, is by including high-fiber foods, like flaxseed, in your diet. This fiber helps maintain stable blood sugar levels, which is crucial for kidney health. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, most Americans only get about half of the fiber needed daily. 2 tablespoons of ground flaxseed contain nearly 4 grams of fiber, according to the USDA. Sprinkle some into your smoothie or try blueberry oat scones with flax seeds. Garlic. This allium is famous for its wellness benefits, and now we can add kidney health to the list. Garlic serves as a potent anti-inflammatory agent and has been shown to help reduce blood pressure, both of which are beneficial for kidney function. Additionally, garlic helps counteract oxidative damage that can be caused by kidney disease, thus supporting the prevention of further kidney damage. Bell pepper. Bell peppers are beneficial for kidney health for several reasons. They are low in potassium, making them a good choice for individuals with kidney disease who need to manage their potassium intake, as high potassium levels can be harmful to those with impaired kidney function. Additionally, bell peppers are rich in antioxidants, particularly vitamin C and vitamin A, which help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, promoting overall health and kidney function. Bell peppers also provide a good amount of fiber, which is important for digestive health and helps in managing blood sugar levels. These peppers are nutrient-dense, offering essential vitamins and minerals such as vitamin B6, folic acid, and vitamin K, supporting overall health without adding excessive calories or harmful substances to the diet. Moreover, the high vitamin C content in bell peppers boosts the immune system, which is especially important for individuals with chronic kidney disease who may be more susceptible to infections. Onions. From the same family as garlic, onions give you another excellent and salt-free way to add flavor and bonus points if you sauté them in olive oil. Onions also deliver important nutrients like vitamins B6 and C, manganese, and copper. They also contain quercetin, a chemical that can help your body fight cancer, and organic sulfur compounds that can reduce your risk of high blood pressure, stroke, and heart disease. Water. Water helps the kidneys remove waste from your blood through urine. If you are dehydrated, this process works less efficiently, and severe dehydration can lead to kidney damage. There's no exact amount of water that every person should drink. But, in short, you should drink when you're thirsty. If you're not sure if you're drinking enough water, check your urine color. It should be light yellow or colorless. If it's dark yellow, you may be dehydrated. And there are foods that you should avoid or at least reduce. Let's see what they are. Dark-colored soda. In addition to the calories and sugar that sodas provide, they harbor additives that contain phosphorus, especially dark-colored sodas. Many food and beverage manufacturers add phosphorus during processing to enhance flavor, prolong shelf life, and prevent discoloration. Your body absorbs this added phosphorus more than natural, animal-based, or plant-based phosphorus. Unlike natural phosphorus, phosphorus in the form of additives is not bound to protein. Rather, it's found in the form of salt and is highly absorbable by the intestinal tract. Additive phosphorus can typically be found in a product's ingredient list. However, food manufacturers are not required to list the exact amount of additive phosphorus on the label. As a result, sodas, especially those that are dark, should usually be avoided on a renal diet. Pepperoni. Processed meats like pepperoni, ham, sausages, and hot dogs are high in sodium and additives. These products aren't healthy in general, but can be particularly unhealthy for someone with impaired kidney function. If pepperoni pizza is your go-to, consider switching it up for plain cheese or veggie pie. Making pizza at home rather than ordering out allows you to choose lower sodium ingredients. So, strawberries, apples, raspberries, tofu, flax seeds, garlic, capsicum, water, onions are the foods you should eat, and soda and pepperoni should be avoided. If you liked the video and found it useful, please like and subscribe, and until the next video, stay healthy.